your magic artful creations. Today, we are making octopus. There are 5 octopus with different color. Can you guess the color? It's blue, green, purple, pink, and yellow. Now, let's start making these colorful octopus. Let's prepare the color. It's blue. It's pink. First, let's create blue octopus. Now, give a hint of red for the cheeks. Last touch, give color pink for the ribbon. Whee! Blue octopus is done. Looks really pretty. Next, let's create green octopus. Hey, do you know that octopus can change the color and texture of their skin to blend in with their surroundings?
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair
Now,
lady.
give red color for the mouse.
Sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady.
Whee! The green octopus is ready and can swim now. Next, let's create purple octopus.
All fall down, all fall
Also, do you know that octopus are very good at hiding and can fit into very small spaces? They are so smart.
wood and clay, build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady. Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady. Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my
Next, let's create this pink octopus. octopus is done. Next, let's create yellow octopus.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up.
Octopus are also called inkfish because of their ability to release ink.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Whee! The yellow octopus is ready.
Wow!
Whee! All the octopus looks really happy and colorful. Blue octopus, green octopus, purple octopus, pink octopus, and yellow octopus. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you on our next video.